Chi here. Yeah. So, sorry for the hold up, for all the waiting for the stupid music video. I've been planning to do Nightingale by Demi Lovato for a really long time, and finally I'm getting the chance to do it. But like high school started and we're like really busy with homework and school, so we wouldn't have had much time as we did in the summer. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for our Twitter following. That's pretty awesome. We're almost at 1,000. This close. Our Twitter is at RealChiChiDD. If you want to follow us. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. And anyway, so Nightingale by Demi Lovato. Love this song. I've loved it ever since I bought the album. And pretty much, I love Demi. She's amazing. She is truly one of my top role models. She is a huge impact on everyone's lives. Like, she's amazing. So I just decided that I was gonna do Nightingale because but I just think it's a cute song and I am totally addicted to it and have been ever since I got her album. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I can't sleep tonight. I'm wide awake and so confused. Everything's in line, but I am bruised. I need a voice to echo. I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero. Is it you? I never see the forest or the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You can be my sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Somebody speak to me, 'cause I'm feeling like hell. Need you to answer me, I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo. I need a light to take me home. I need a star to follow, I don't know. I never see the forest or the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You can be my sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. I don't know what I'd do without you. Your words are like a whisper come through. As long as you're with me here tonight, I'm good. Can you be my nightingale? Feel so close, I know you're there. Oh, nightingale, sing to me, I know you're there. 'Cause baby, you're my sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Like, comment, and subscribe.